Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem which is based on integral 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx. Let us start with problem number 7. Integral 1 upon x square plus 4x plus 25 dx. I is given as 1 upon x square plus 4x plus 25 dx. Here the first step will be to make sure that the coefficient of x square is 1, which is already 1. Now we will find the third term. Third term is given by half into coefficient of x, the whole square, that is half into coefficient of x is 4, the whole square. Here we have 2 ones and 2 twos, 2 square will give you 4. Now this third term we will add and subtract in the denominator. That will give you 1 upon x square plus 4x. Since x square is positive, we will give it first plus 4 and balance it by minus 4, followed by plus 25 dx. Further we have 1 upon x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus 25 is plus 21 dx. Now this 21 can be written as root 21 the whole square, as its perfect square root does not exist. Similarly, these three terms can be reduced using the trick square root of first term, sine of second term and square root of third term the whole square. Therefore, I will be integral 1 upon, we have x plus 2 the whole square, and this can be written as square root of 21 the whole square dx. Now I can compare this integral with the standard formula 1 upon x square plus a square. Integral 1 upon x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Thus we have I is equal to 1 upon x plus 2 the whole square plus root 21 the whole square dx. As you can see, the value of x will be x plus 2 and the value of a will be under root 21. Therefore, I will be 1 upon root 21 into tan inverse of x plus 2 upon square root of 21 plus c. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.